Hey everybody, Mark Schultz here. Welcome to the Digital Aviation Professionals for Digital Aircraft Operations page. Hey, I'm going to be talking to you today about digital transformation. I promised all of you that last week when we talked about belief and how important it was to believe in yourself and the success of what you're doing, that we would begin to talk about digital transformation this week. And so the question I have for you is that will you be the next fatality in the digital transformation business? Everybody knows that digital transformation is upon us. It's happening all around us. It's happening in the transportation industry. It's happening in the hospitality industry, in the retail industry. And it's evidenced by companies like Uber and Airbnb and the failure of so many different retail stores that exists out there. The question is that will you be one of those fatalities? Look, in the aviation industry, we have companies like WOW and Air Berlin and Jet Airways and Monarch and many, many more. They've all failed, and there's many out there today that are falling behind because they have not been able to keep up financially and to be able to deliver with the same quality and productivity that they need to. Look, I traveled 480,000 miles last year. Yeah, 480,000 miles. And I met with airlines and MROs and companies all around the world. And what I found is about 90 to 95% of us out there today are still using paper. The question is that what will you do in your organization to change that? Digital transformation is upon you, and it's up to us to be able to grab hold of that and to be able to create success from that. I want you to know that there is hope for the future, all right? Historical factors are behind us. Many years ago, it was standards that were not in place. It was data that was not available. It was software that was not available. Technology was not available to us. The internet wasn't there. And now today, in these common days, we have some regulators who maybe lag behind a little bit. But I can tell you from all the experience that I have that regulators are on board and are ready to make this happen. They're not asking the question of, will you do this? They're saying, how are we going to demonstrate that it's as safe and it maintains the quality environment that we're looking for with the paper environment? And all of these things being put together equal hope for the future. There is a new opportunity. And what has to happen is, the bottom line is that we have to believe in ourselves that we can be part of this digital transformation and creating the success that's out there. Look, I want to tell you, it's not your fault. This is a new era. The things that you've done in the past are gone. Situation has changed. You can be successful today in this environment that we're in. Technology is there, applications are there, people are there. Listen, knowledge and action equals success. Technology without application creates nothing. People are the key to making this happen. So what I wanted to talk to you about today briefly was that the importance of people in the business of digital transformation. You see, I've seen many organizations that have been successful in doing digital transformation, and one of the things that's made them successful is their commitment as an organization and their team and their people to engaging in the subject of digital transformation. And for those people to work together to create a synergy and an environment which creates success. This is so important. The team believing in each other and creating the synergy and the knowledge that exists from the synergy of that team to create the momentum of success. It's not going to happen all at once. It's something that happens gradually, incrementally. But you do have the possibility of making major leaps forward in the success in what you're doing. This is really, really important for us to work together as a team. This is why I have worked together to put together a team, a virtual mastermind of sorts, which is called Aviation Professionals for Digital Aircraft Operations. And what this is creating is a new opportunity for us to work together as a team in the industry and to share knowledge, to be able to contribute the things that we know and to be able to learn from others in the industry, and for us together to be able to transform the industry. And what it requires us to contribute and to trust one another and to be able to create this environment of a virtual mastermind. I've learned over the years that when people work together, that the knowledge of multiple people coming together creates the environment where we create greater and bigger and better things. And the result is that we have shared knowledge, which allows us to be able to move forward faster and to be able to create more than what we ever have in the past. So I'm giving you an opportunity to be able to follow this page, and it's actually listed below in this post, and it's the LinkedIn page that's LinkedIn/company/DigitalAircraft. And go to that page, click on it, and follow that page. And what you're going to be able to do is you're going to be able to follow all the different subjects and the topics that we're going to discuss. And together we're going to create this virtual mastermind, and we're going to have an environment where we'll be able to learn from one another and to be able to contribute our expertise and together work toward transforming our industry. We will not be one of the casualties of the industry. We will not be one of the companies that fail. We will not be one of the companies that's unsuccessful. We are going to move forward, and together as a team and as an organization and as a virtual mastermind, we're going to help one another to be successful. It's going to happen faster and greater than ever before. You're going to want to be part of this, and so I want you to follow this page, because every single day there's going to be new information about how you can learn to be successful in this subject of digital transformation. Just click on the link and follow the page and help be part of the success that we're going to see together. Fair winds and following seas to you, and I look forward to our next broadcast. Thank you. Goodbye.